Shiba Inu had a strange day yesterday. Shiba Inu eventually rebounded after days of crashes, absorbing the majority of the losses during the previous 48 hours. People are having a party, but today, something significant was brought to light. Coinbase and BlackRock seem to have been engaging in a series of dubious actions lately. Although billions of cryptocurrency are being questioned, one expert clarified that it may signify something else. Additionally, this might be a hint that Shiba Inu needs to recoup its cost. What's going on? What am I even talking about anyway? Let me clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Hold on a second. What is this? Is the cost of Shiba Inu really increasing? At last, Shiba Inu seems to be heading in the right way after all of the changes, regaining all it lost over the course of the last day. This is crazy. Could this be the time we've all been waiting for? I don't want to ruin it. Although the rise isn't significant, any progress in the correct direction is a victory. Even a little move like this seems thrilling since we've watched Shiba Inu stalled for so long. Let's be honest, all rallies begin somewhere, don't they? But what if this is just the start? Could Shiba Inu be awakening at last? Recently, there have been several shocks in the cryptocurrency market. Furthermore, it seems like this is one of those times when things may get intriguing. But hold on, we should still exercise caution. I don't intend to ruin the enjoyment. Although Shiba Inu is displaying strength, one expert noted that it is still circling a significant resistance level. And how it responds to this zone will determine whether it continues to ascend or retreats a step. It was unexpected yesterday. While Bitcoin and the majority of other cryptocurrencies were having trouble, Shiba Inu was able to make a significant gain. It was thrilling since it was one of the few times it deviated from the market trend. Zooming out a little, however, reveals that Shiba Inu has been dealing with some difficult circumstances, such as slow network expansion and decreased interest from major investors. Additionally, he identified a troubling trend in the charts that can point to more declines if things don't improve quickly. Additionally, recent reports indicate that Shibarium's on-chain activity has decreased, which is making matters worse. All eyes are now on this critical pricing point. Prices might rise again towards the highs of this month if Shiba Inu continues to remain firm. However, things can become difficult and another plunge might be imminent if it loses that support. Therefore, even if this rally is thrilling, we will have to wait and watch what occurs next. Nevertheless, this little pump is a welcome change for everyone. Although it's not the largest leap, this is really a very positive indicator considering how volatile the cryptocurrency market has been recently. The weird part comes next. Many investors have turned a profit despite this little gain. Regarding this, one expert provided some really intriguing information. Only little more than 1/3 of Shiba Inu owners were making money a while ago. The rest were still losing money. Let's fast forward to now. And that number has increased by tens of thousands in spite of all the market difficulties. Shiba Inu's overall earnings has increased, as shown by the fact that more shareholders are now in the green than they were the previous year. Furthermore, the proportion of people who are suffering has decreased, even if there are still many wallets holding at a loss. That is a significant matter. It indicates that Shiba Inu is holding its position stronger than ever despite all the ups and downs. Therefore, even while it's not quite a full-fledged rally, it's a positive move, and that in and of itself is reason enough to pay notice. But you may still be curious about what's really happening. Why has the recent price movement been so erratic? Now, let's stand back and consider the wider picture. As it happens, Bitcoin is trending similarly. It has been making a little comeback today, almost erasing its most recent losses and leveling out within a certain price range. However, here is when the intriguing part begins. Unexpectedly, Coinbase is the one responsible for all of the recent volatility in Bitcoin, according to one researcher. As the public face of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is constantly scrutinized for price fluctuations. However, something strange has been going on recently. The CEO of CryptoQuant, Kai Youngju, said that the price movement has been driven by whales, or large players, on Coinbase. Coinbase's trading activity increased significantly during the last week, contributing to the current volatility of Bitcoin. Additionally, Ju's study indicates that the ownership of Bitcoin is more dispersed than most people think. The price at which Binance traders purchased Bitcoin was much lower than that of the large institutions and ETF purchasers. Some of the oldest Bitcoin financiers, including miners and long-term holders, purchased at prices that seem absurdly cheap in comparison to the current market. A market where some purchasers are cashing out while others are staying on is being created by this mix of buyers, each of whom has varying amounts of Bitcoin. It's also not surprising that Shiba Inu and various other altcoins are responding differently, since Bitcoin's actions often set the tone for the whole cryptocurrency market. Therefore, even if Shiba Inu's price movement may seem erratic, it is all connected to the larger dynamics at work in the cryptocurrency space. When it comes to Coinbase, there's more. As it happens, BlackRock recently made a momentous decision by selling off a significant quantity of Ethereum and Bitcoin in a single hour. And now there is a lot of conjecture. The largest asset management in the world, BlackRock, allegedly moved a huge stack of Bitcoin and Ethereum directly into its Coinbase account, a move that has drawn interest from both cryptocurrency dealers and large investors. In a very little period of time, we are discussing the transfer of over 1,800 Bitcoin, valued at over $160 million, and over 18,000 Ethereum, valued at around $44 million. Now this brings up some important issues. Is BlackRock putting more effort into cryptocurrency, transferring money for its customers, or laying the groundwork for a larger endeavor? However, no one is certain yet, but such movements are not random. With a move this size, the market may soon see some exciting activity. One thing is certain, regardless of whether this is just a regular shuffle or an indication of anything more significant in the works. The whole cryptocurrency industry watches when organizations like BlackRock take action. Additionally, Shiba Inu may be affected by whatever occurs next, just like the rest of the market. On the plus side, however, Coinbase also accomplished something significant today. A significant collaboration that will further simplify the process of purchasing and selling cryptocurrency. To make cryptocurrency trading easier and safer for Nigerians, Coinbase just announced a new partnership with Onboard Global. This is a significant step, particularly for a rapidly expanding sector. Through a network of reliable merchants, Coinbase wallet customers in Nigeria will now be able to purchase cryptocurrency using their native currency thanks to this cooperation. Furthermore, both businesses have pledged to continue concentrating on what people really want while ensuring that all legal requirements are met. Collaborations like this might pave the way for even greater things in the future as the cryptocurrency industry continues to change. And it's evident that the sector is progressing with actions like these, which may be fantastic for Shiba Inu and the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Given all that is going on with Coinbase, this may alter the game for Shiba Inu. A significant moment for the whole cryptocurrency market is being set up by all of these actions: substantial transfers of Bitcoin and Ethereum, the emergence of prominent companies like BlackRock, and Coinbase's new collaboration. And you know what? One of the greatest beneficiaries of all of this might be Shiba Inu. This is why it's so big. At the heart of a lot of significant cryptocurrency activity at the moment is Coinbase. A cascading impact is produced by the abrupt increase in Bitcoin trading, the participation of institutions, and the extension of cryptocurrency accessibility in new areas. The market as a whole responds when Bitcoin changes. Shiba Inu have traditionally followed suit, close behind during large rallies, and considerate. More individuals will enter the market if cryptocurrency usage continues to rise as a result of collaborations like Coinbase and Onboard Global, which make cryptocurrency simpler to access. As a result, meme currencies like Shiba Inu will see an increase in liquidity, enthusiasm, and attention. We've seen it before. Shiba Inu doesn't simply go up a bit as momentum rises, it blows up. This may be the ideal scenario for a significant price increase. All those losses, they may be eliminated sooner rather than later. Shiba Inu has the potential to become one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies in the market if it manages to catch on. And if that occurs, we could be seeing one of those fabled price spikes that send Shiba Inu into the stratosphere. Everything is starting to fit together. Is another Shiba Inu breakthrough imminent? That's the only question. In light of this, maybe the best course of action at this time is to exercise patience and have faith in the process. Markets fluctuate in cycles. Yet, as a prominent expert noted in a recent Twitter post, there are instances when writing it down is the best course of action. He reminded everybody that Bitcoin saw several significant declines in 2017, each of which was more than 20%, before ultimately reaching all-time highs. Altcoins like Shiba Inu had even more significant corrections during those months-long declines. However, it was all just noise in the end. The winners were those who maintained their composure and didn't allow the temporary setbacks to deter them. Shiba Inu may be experiencing this at the moment. Price swings, corrections, and dips have all occurred, but history demonstrates that patience is rewarded. It can be preferable to zoom out, keep in mind how these markets operate, and let things unfold rather than worrying about every little move. Shiba Inu may be preparing for a major event if history repeats itself, as it often does in the cryptocurrency space. All of the ups and downs and volatility might be the precursor to something amazing when things eventually start to improve. Is it something we're prepared for? However, what do you think of this? Leave a comment below. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.